about to go fishing with Beyonce. Okay, let me explain. When I say Beyonce, I mean Cécred, her hair brand. So it's like basically. It is currently 6 a.m. because I guess the early bird does get the worm. I'm gonna give you guys a little fit check because I had no idea what you wear to go fishing in general, let alone fishing with other influencers that have style. So like, what is stylish fishing? And if you go to Pinterest, it doesn't exist. Look, I'm not even awake yet. I just put eye cream on my face thinking it was lotion. And now I'm over here putting makeup on without primer. So because I've never gone fishing before, I have absolutely no idea what to expect. So we're going to Marina del Rey. It's gonna be, you know, always usually overcast, kind of cold by the water, especially in the morning till the sun comes out. But apparently the sun's not coming out till 5 today. Hopefully I'm not cold. I got a little like bathing suit on and then this little cover up to hopefully keep me warm. We gonna see. Okay, final look. Let me see if I like the glasses. Kind of a vibe. Might be too much. I don't think Beyonce believes in too much. We'll see. Off to the marina. All right, I'm really excited to see what people are wearing. Trying to see what the vibe is. Gio! Is that Gio? Gio's here! Gang, 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 gang. Allura gang.
We're here.
Wait a minute.
Heck yeah. How are you? Good to see you.
Have you been fishing before?
Hell no.
Me neither.
I don't know what.
Are you gonna touch a fish?
All I had was a pet fish.
Yeah, I've had one of those. Goldfish, like from a fair.
Right now.
All right, let me get my stuff. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Bianca.
Bianca.
All right, yeah, one of these. Thank you. I got the black ones.
I love the fact that you took the kids to Vegas.
They love Vegas. All right, let's see what these are looking like. Is everyone putting them on? Want to take the box on? Fishing ready, I suppose. All right, we're just gonna put the boots on now. All right, we in there. Ooh, they're comfy. Now officially ready, everyone is arriving. It's already hot. I thought it was about to be cold. California doesn't do actually hot bath water. Hey, 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 gang, gang, gang. Are you gonna touch the fish? Are you gonna touch the bait?
I don't know.
Is it live bait?
I don't think I would. I think I'm gonna throw it back.
Hey!
I think I got everybody that needed a license, right? I didn't leave anybody out. We headed out, probably be targeting some rockfish, whitefish sort of thing. Victor's gonna be bringing up all the rods and everything.
You nervous? Why are you asking? Asking all them questions.
You guys ready? I'm ready. I'm Asia. I do social influencer marketing at Cécred.
Woo!
Woo! We're putting this together. Pacific Town Club is amazing. I'm so excited for y'all to experience it. Let's have a good time.
Yay!
There's a little wrecking ball. It could definitely break windows and definitely hurt people. So if you're gonna put this thing away, maybe just wrap this part around here so it doesn't hurt anybody. No one trips over it. Not breaking anything either. Right behind the reel, there's gonna be the hook. This thing is very sharp. It is meant to hook things. So if you guys are gonna handle it, just handle it with care. What I suggest is leave your fishing rod at your spot. That way we're not sword fighting back here. So just grab your bait, go back to your thing and do it.
Watch out! Watch out! Hold on! Be strategic about this. You got it already. Move it around. Hell no! You a hater! He hating! Hell no! Move back. Lift it up. Move back. Move back. You move back. Oh!
Come on, Bianca. Who is that? You?
He was trying to hate.
Okay,
got one! My first fish. Look at that. That was yours? I tried to take him. Yeah.
Good job. Whoa.
You know, casual. First time. He's gonna start scaring me. So I was really excited that I caught my first fish, but the professional fisherman said it was kind of small and suggested I put it back.
Oh, you have probably a shark.
A shark? You got it, you got it. Oh, he fighting. Yeah! Woo! Come on, bring it in. On the boat, bring it on the boat. Yeah.
I'm gonna turn on that boat.
I love it.
You really got a shark?
That's crazy.
Pleasure out here dying. But she cute though. Thank you. Thanks, Cécred. I got the second. Fish. Most fish. I got 5. This is what I get for catching all 3 of my fish. And that's a wrap for our fishing boat. I did throw up once, but then I felt a lot better after. But now we're gonna eat because my stomach is empty. Persia, baby!
What's up, baby?
This is Persia's last boat.
We're back in
We're on land. She good now. She good. Gio, what was your question about this salad?
How much they wash this?
I don't know.
Are there any parasites in here?
Trying to be funny.
That's my first official time fishing. Thank you, Cécred, for inviting me. I had such a great time. Thanks for watching BiancaRenee Today.